Hi, boys and girls. This is the title of the story that we are going to read today. What does a scientist do? And our author is Karen Jones. She wrote this story. So look, they all have their goggles on and they are looking very closely at that tube in her hand. They are scientists. What do they do? Let's find out. Have you ever wondered what scientists do? Scientists are people like you and me. They learn about things by investigating and experimenting. Investigating is when you look closely to learn about something, and experimenting is when you try something out to see if it works. Scientists like to learn why things happen. To figure things out, they investigate. That means they search for answers. Can you say investigate? Investigate. That's right. That means they search for answers. Scientists ask questions like we practiced last time, such as, why is the sky blue? Scientists make predictions. Can you say predictions? Predictions. That's right. When they make predictions, they say what they think will happen or what they think the answer will be. They might not know what it is. They are making a guess. In science, a prediction is called a hypothesis. That's a big word. Why don't you try saying it? Hypothesis. Scientists do experiments. Experiments are like tests that help them figure something out. So they test it out. They try it. Something new. Scientists watch and observe. So they watch very, very closely. You get to do that today in our experiment at home. They use their 5 senses. They look at things very closely and very carefully. Scientists measure. They use special tools like microscopes, magnifying glasses, rulers, scales, and thermometers. They write down everything they see. They draw pictures. If you think that sounds like fun, show me. I think it does. Scientists talk about what they have learned. They share their discoveries. They write books, they draw pictures, they make videos, and they do many things to share what they learned. Today, when we do our experiment, you get to share what you learned with me. I'm so excited. Scientists learn and discover things. They ask questions, they investigate, they make predictions, they do experiments, they watch, and they write things down. They measure, and they talk about what they learned. Guess what? You can do those things too. Everyone can be a scientist. And today, you get to be a scientist at home and do your very own experiment. Head to the next slide to find out what your experiment is. Have fun, friends!